We'll be back for today's tutorial. The channel name is Tech Explorer Yugi. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for the support and love. Now today we are going to look at application of security measures to a computer. In other words, how can you protect a computer from intruders? How can you protect your computer from unauthorized access? Now we are going to use two measures. The first measure will be using a BitLocker. We are going to get in deep and see how a BitLocker works. Then the second measure will be using a USB block. Now let's jump in and get started. Shall start with the BitLocker. Alright, on your desktop, open control panel. Open the control panel. Let me open my control panel. On your desktop, open the control panel. Then go to System and Security. Go to System and Security. Then deep down here, look for BitLocker. BitLocker. Look for BitLocker. Now, what BitLocker does is that BitLocker locks the drives on your hard disk so that no one can access them without you authorizing him. So we are going to use BitLocker. You see that here BitLocker is turned off. Now here you select on which particular disk do you want to apply these security measures. Let's take a case. Maybe I'm having some volatile data here on my local disk D and I don't want anyone to access this data. I'll come and turn on BitLocker. I'll come and turn on BitLocker. So after selecting turn on BitLocker, I use a password to lock this particular drive. So I'll enter my password, which I'll keep a secret. I will use exit 06. Then here I will enter this password, exit 06. Then I send next. The password, you see a warning, the password provided doesn't meet minimum length requirements. So it must be at least 8 characters I mean. So I'll come and change my password here. I'll put 18. I will enter this password here. 18. Then I place next. I place next. So as you place next, when I've fully entered my password, I'll be given an encryption key. I'll be provided with an encryption key. So how do you want to back up your recovery key? So this BitLocker gives you an option of getting you a recovery key just in case you forget the password. So I'll select where to save this recovery key to. So in this case, I'm going to use a USB flash. I will gently place this USB in my computer. Then I select save to USB flash. I'm saving a recovery key just in case I forget my password. I'll press my USB drive. Then I say save. Save to USB flash. I'll say save. or I can select any destination. I can save it as a file on my desktop here, or I can decide to print this recovery key so that I remain with a hard copy of it. So after saving the recovery key,